begins with care in how we choose to move. Each thought and word, each silent act reveals what we hold true. The path opens through simple ways that guide both heart and hand, creating peace in every space where life and spirit stand. 5 guiding truths shape how we live and how the soul takes form. They steady action, speech, and thought through calm that we perform. When life aligns with gentler ways, the inner field grows clear, a foundation strong and open wide for deeper truth to appear. No harm is carried through our steps, no force in word or will. Truth stands clear in how we speak and how our actions feel. Nothing taken, nothing forced, no grasping need to claim. Desire softens into focus, freed from pull and strain. 5 guiding truths shape how we live and how the soul takes form. They steady action, speech, and thought through calm that we perform. When life aligns with gentler ways, the inner field grows clear, a foundation strong and open wide for deeper truth to appear. Simplicity releases weight from holding more than need. Contentment clears the restless mind and lets awareness lead. These laws are lived in quiet choice from moment into day, preparing inner ground for light to rise along the way. Through steady practice, life grows pure in motive, word, and deed. The soul finds balance in these vows that guide what it will be. From this clear base, the path unfolds with nothing left unclear. The first true step toward wisdom's light begins right